Okay, show me some.
Her hair is so nice.
Yeah, you do like that. No, it's nice now. I like it. Thank you.
Okay, stop.
Good morning.
Good morning. Dina, that was like grass. Why is it all green?
Good morning mga kachika. Finally, it's my day off today. Straight 4 days. Natapos ko na din yung ano ko. Day off na naman ako for. It's not clean enough din. Nagugas sila na strawberry kasi hindi na sa side.
That's water.
Wait, stop. Bisa din duda kanta. Nga mo yung ano, nagluto ako ng champurado. Kaya ako nag-vlog kasi nga 4 days ako straight. Ano, sunod-sunod yung work ko ba? Uy, kumain na. Uy, tapos, yun na, hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi same lang naman yung mga ganap-ganap natin. So, today, alis kami kaya mag-vlog tayo. Pero yun na nga. Hindi ako gano'n mag-vlog kasi same lang naman yung ganap. Everyday, for 4 days. Nag-vlog lang ako ng yung ano ba yan? Nung first day ko ng ating 4 days straight. Biya? Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
What you say?
Thank you.
What you say, Lisa?
Look.
Sige. Apo, ito yung going to put strawberry.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
That's why you want the strawberry. You want to watch the strawberry.
Well, I'm nice, so you can't.
To cut it, put it in. Cut in that
this
way.
cream.
Yeah, put cream.
Yeah. Something.
Pininto sa akin ni Mr. Ba, ito daw mga bata, mga kachika, yung simula na nag-start na ako magtrabaho, na-start na din sila naging independent. Kasi noong time na hindi pa ako nagtrabaho, asin talagang, inaano lang talaga nila sa akin, lalo na pag, yung inaasa sa akin lahat ba? Ganun. So, hindi din naman yung kasalanan nila. Kasalanan ko din kasi sinanay ko sila, di ba? So, nung yun nga, yung nag-start na ako magtrabaho sa sabi ni Mr. na every morning daw na nagising, nauuna silang dalawa magising. Is either ito or ito. Basta halos magsabay-sabay sila nagigising sa morning. And then pagkagising, pagkababa, di ba kasi bago ako pumapasok sa work, nakaready na lahat dyan yung mga backpacks nila, mga uniform ready na talaga, pagsuot na lang, you do it, Hersa, pagsuot na lang talaga yung kulang. Tapos sabi ni Mr. na every morning daw, pag siya yung naghahanda sa mga bata, kasi lalo na nung week na ito, nung Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, si Mr. talaga yung naghanda sa kanila. 1 day lang ako nakapaghanda noong Monday. Tapos yung 4 days na yun, na pumasok sila sa school, si Mr. talaga yung sa kanila naghatid sa school, pero ako yung nagsusundo. So yun nga, sabi ni Mr. na simula daw yan nga nagtrabaho na ako ba, pagkagising niya daw sa umaga, yung mga bata nakabihis na sila ng uniform, nagsusuklay na ng mga buhok nila. Yes, well done. Tapos ano pa ba, yung tinutulungan na lang daw nila is yung tinutulungan na lang daw niya yung paglagay ng tie, kasi hindi ko nila marunong maglagay ng necktie nila ba. Yun daw na lang yung tulong-tulong na, pero yung magsuot daw ng ito, you do it, Herbie, ng uniform, yung lahat-lahat sila na daw yung gumagawa. It is very good. Daddy said that Daddy told me that when you woke up in the morning, you already dress up yourself.
Hey.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Yeah? You and Alisa? I mean,
No, not Lisa.
not Alisa. Who?
I always only want to dress up myself
You dress up yourself
and do my hair.
and your hair as well? Very good. Thank you. But Daddy said Alisa as well. So you help Alisa?
Oh yeah, I did.
You help Alisa?
No. At least I helped herself.
She do herself?
Yeah.
Ilang araw ko din hindi sila nakasama ba na mag-breakfast na kachika ba? Kasi ano lang ang oras eh. Dahil 22 na. Nagising ako mga 5 to 9. Gising ako. Masarap tulog ko eh. Bawi nga ako ng tulog pag wala akong pasok. Pag walang pasok yung mga bata, yun na lang talaga makabawi ako lang tulog. Kasi pag ever na may wala akong pasok, tapos yung mga bata, maaga din ako nagigising, di ba?
I think so took the grandma and the tea.
Yeah. You shoot to them? Sige na, eat na yun. Okay, show me something. I'm carrying so much here. Put this one, babe. Oh, you carry it. You didn't need to put. Alisa, can you put your bag on? Bag and your coat. Oh, you carry your coat.
Yeah.
Dito namin yung binili yung kay Alina. Ganito. Doon yun kay Alisa naman doon sa ta.
In the ladder.
Yeah. Beware of snakes and ladder. Please don't climb on this ladder. The bed is for display only. So it means that it's not you know, safe to go up there.
That is making us
Lisa, you're dragging your that one.
Here you go.
I don't know. How much is it? 15 pounds. Ang baba niya. No, Daddy is not waiting for us. We're waiting for Daddy here. Not Daddy waiting.
How about the pandas?
Daddy going to pay for that. Panda. Nakatikim na ako mga kakachika. Noong isang araw, si ate may ganito siya. Yung katrabaho namin ba? Yung cleaner doon sa care home. Nagdala siya ng ganito. Tinamon. Dito kami mga kasika, nag-upo-upo lang muna kami dito kasi inaantay namin si Mr. Nagbabayad siya. Meron kaming binili. Tapos binabayaran. Hindi na kami sumama doon kung saan yung ano bang tawag yun? Ano ba? Stockroom ba tawag noon? Nila. Hindi na kami sumama doon kasi matagalan. Tapos si Alisa nagpunta ng
Alisa, nagpunta, mga bata, dinala ko sa toilet. So, dito na lang kami magantay kasi para alam niya kung saan kami pupunta. Nagano si Alisa, kasi may nakita siyang whipped cream, mga kachika. Sabi niya gusto niya daw ng whipped cream. Ngayon kay ayaw niya.
Oh.
Hindi din masarap eh.
Oh. Oh.
Sige na, yun lang namin order namin ngayon. Ayaw din naman nila kumain ng ano na yan. Yung fries lang. Tsaka juice. Go.
So here, this.
Which one is it? This one?
Yeah, one except. Yeah. Car park. Yeah, here na lang. Round and round the garden like a chicken. So, ang tuwa naman yung dalawa.
Again.
Again?
Again, again. We're here. You're here. Pauwi na kami mga kachika. Ayun na pala. 3:53. 3:53. Saglit lang kami. Siguro mga ano lang kami dyan. More than 1 hour lang kami.
What time is it?
3:53. Uwi pa kami. And then, yeah, we can assemble that.
Oh, yeah. About a week.
Okay.
About a week.
Tomorrow we are going to the pumpkin patch.
Okay.
Tomorrow we go pumpkin patch.
No, it's not pumpkin patch.
No.
It's not pumpkin patch. It's just
Pumpkin.
Halloween.
It's saying pumpkin patch.
Huh?
It's like pumpkin patch. I don't know why I keep saying.
Okay, ladies.
Yeah.
My ladies, where is your panda?
Oh, there. I've got my panda there. Sitting down and doing coloring. Let's do it again.
You put that there.
What?
Yeah.
Make you racing.
Yeah, put it over here, please, now.
Put that in here now.
So can I play with that?
Yeah, you can play with it, yeah. Just put do the back, Alina. Alina.
Okay. So I want to play with this one. Yeah, the pink one. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Perfect, huh?
Is that? Yeah. Okay, guys. Your
Huh?
toys.
I say.
Yeah, that's it.
Let's go, guys. We shall go for more. We're going races. Again? Guys, you're going to try it from you right here. And then,
You don't like it?
Nice.
Would you have bought it then?
okay, this.
Huh?
One,
What?
okay, and then,
Yeah.
let's go. Let's go.
That's good.
You feel itchy.
Wait. And go.
Yeah.
You feel
We're
itchy.
Some bruises.
One more time. Yeah, one more. So you don't get bruises. And then,
Yeah, kasi ito yung ganap na mga katsika. Binili ni Mr. ba?
Pick it up. And then up. But I got it.
I put it on, yeah. Well, two only. Well, okay, now.
I'll hold it.
No, yeah, what? We need
The
it.
Lisa.
Wait,
We can do it.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Lift it.
Daddy!
No, Charlie, you're supposed to catch it.
Daddy! I'm doing it myself. Okay.
You're supposed to catch it. Toss him up and then catch him.
Oh, yeah.
Toss him up and
And then, yeah, catch it.
try to catch it in the thing.
Yeah.
Charlie.
This is on. That is. Again. Oh. Okay, go. Let's go. There. Is Daddy gonna make the new draw? You have to do instructions.
Yeah.
The crown. What's the read off the crown?
Where's my hairstyle? I thought you were gonna do my hairstyle, Lisa.
I'm doing it.
What's my hairstyle?
Oh no. Chicken.
Naka-idlip ako mga katsika. Nag-idlip ako pagkadating namin. Hindi naman agad-agad, pero...
Yeah, di na
siguro,
nasa
yeah, nung nakauwi na nga dito kami. Dito na naman yung dalawa nag-ano.
My hair's so smooth.
Gusto niya.
Let's
Ano oras na pa? No, I don't want lipstick, Sasir. No. 8, oh no, 6:18. 18. Today is October 8, la. Oh. Wait. Ano, in-screenshot ko siya. Kasi, ayan, tingnan nyo naman. Yung ano, di ba? Lucky number. 18. So, di ba? Minsanan lang yan matimingan mo na ganong oras.
The big fruit is so fat.
Okay, it's okay like that. It's nice. I like it.
I need my grandma's.
Ano pala, yan yung binili namin mga katsika. Nandyan pa na simple kasi kailangan lang tayo mag-assemble niya. Wala ako sa mood kasi nga pagod yung katawan ko mga katsika. Kailangan pa magpahinga ng kaunti. Ganon. Ano yan, chest drawer ni Alina kasi matagal na talaga niya pinapangarap na magkaroon daw siya ng sarili niyang chest drawer. Kasi meron yan, yung chest drawer niya na sa kanya talaga before, nung siya pa lang yung anak namin, meron yan siyang chest drawer talaga. White, yung nandoon ngayon sa bedroom ni Alisa. Tapos ngayon, yung nag-share lang ba sila mga kachika ba, yung chest drawer nila, na yun, nandoon, tatlong lang siya, drawer. Tapos, share pa sila. So, dalawa kay Alina noon, tapos doon, yung pang-alis. Masikip na talaga mga kachika sa mga damit nila mga kachika ba. Although ngayong na to, wala pa nga kung gaanong binili ng mga damit ng mga panlamig, pero marami pala sila mga panlamig yung last year pa ganun.
Lisa, what are you doing to my hair?
So anyway, ayun na, masikip na kasi dalawang drawer kay Alina and then isa kay Alisa. So yung pang ko kay Alisa, yung kay Alisa naman yung pang araw-araw niya, hiniwalay ko paglagay, nilagay ko siya sa malaking container. Tapos ayun na, ngayon naman na nagrereklamo na sila na kasi daw gusto niya daw ng sarili niyang drawer daw sa bedroom niya. Kaya ito yung binili namin sa kanya. 4 drawers naman to. Mas malaki to yung sa kanya na binili namin. Ganon. Yun naman na ako, Alisa.
Her hair's so nice.
See, you do like that na. It's nice na. I like it. Thank you.
Okay, use that one. Let's sing this. Let's sing
Pero hindi pa namin, I think mamaya pag uwi ni Mr. mag-start namin yan. Tabi din tomorrow again pag may time kami. Kasi di off ko pa din naman tomorrow din.
And sunscreen.
Hoy. Uy, I don't want that sunscreen. I don't need sunscreen now.
You don't need sunscreen.
Only sunscreen for my face, but not for my body.
Yeah. You don't need sunscreen.
Ang dami na. You put too much now. You put gel, then you put the other one. That one.
It's empty.
Yeah, it's empty. I'm gonna buy a new one of this. We need that one for your hair.
And all of this. Hold up. Hot.
Yeah, okay, that's nice. Lena, that's very good. You did it.
Yeah. Hot.
This one.
I want to play
Very good, Lisa.
buckets of buckets.
Uy, nakautot. Sige na.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Dennis, you know na your homework na. You did well done. Playing and playing. Playing. Put ing playing in the playground. I want to play with. I want to play this game again. This.
Oh yeah.
The kids are give everyone a what's that?
Sweet.
Sweets. Pull the rope. That's good. Very good. Wow. Oi! What's that? Utot? Oi! What's this?
And that's a question.
It's not a question like that. Question like that, babe. Qua. Question.
Oh yeah.
Qua. U-E-S-T-O-N. Okay, try again. Delete that one.
Okay, I want to cross that out.
Put in.
Wait, what's it?
I got a beautiful dress. And your dress again is double E. E then S. There's no E there. At the end is D-R-E-E. Oh no. D-R-E-S-S. Okay? Okay, but you did very good.
Can you help me to spell it?
Wait, use the pen. Use the
I
pen.
help you spell it.
Sige na, Lisa.
I need help you spell it.
Okay, sige. Put qua.
I'll put it up there.
Oh, up there na lang. Qua. U. E. S. T.
My blanket. My blanket.
U. Oh, no. O. O. N. Question. Dress. The. Sige na, Lisa. Read na. R.
But.
Very good.
Butty.
E.
E.
S. S.
The.
Then you did the. Okay, what else?
Press button.
You done it, Lena. Very good. Sige na. Lisa.
I got everything. When I look at this thing, it reminds me of when I was at my when I was first at the show valley. It reminds me of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lena. Lisa. What? What's that? What's that?
Cat.
Right. Okay.
In. Pot.
Very good, Lisa. Very good.
That's enough.
No, it's not done yet.
No. Cat.
Well done.
Yeah, Nina. You want some biscuit, stick?
Yeah. Mom, the flashlight.
Like that. Bumili yung daddy nila para sa kanilang Halloween na, ano ba itong napakan ko? Ano pala?
You've got the light now. You've got the light.
Like that. May light siya. I-on mo lang.
If you put the top on, it'd be better, no?
And then,
No, don't do that. Don't touch that. You're gonna break it.
yung ilalim ay butter cookie. Tigisa sila. Take it up, babe. Then, i-cover mo lang. And then, it lights up.
I shall put. Yeah. A sting.
Oh, sorry.
Uy, you didn't even say thank you.
Why did you say, what did you buy that?
Why?
Filled with spooky old butter coffee shake.
What's inside? It's pumpkin. It's pumpkin.
No, it's not pumpkins. Biscuits.
Biscuit.
Pumpkin. It's so pumpkin.
Oh,
Pumpkin
yeah.
shape. No?
Yeah, yeah.
Like that.
Pumpkin. Ooh.
Masarap to
I
pang
didn't see that.
pares ang kape.
Right?
No?
No.
No?
Like some. Nice then.
Mm.
Huh? It's Halloween.
Ah, ano pala siya? Lata. Ngayon ko lang na ano, lata pala siya.